Today we are making butter masala paneer. As we have to take for that 200 grams of paneer. This are cubes of paneer. 1 tablespoon salt. This is according to taste will take. And this is 2 tablespoon chili powder. 1.5 also no problem, because this will be a spicy sabzi. 1.5 kasuri methi. 1 spoon, this tablespoon, this yellow turmeric powder. 2 tablespoon dhania powder. Now 1 full bowl, this half full bowl will be tomato puree with fresh neem ke patte, with fresh, because this is Jain recipe and taste will be very good. And this will be peanut puree. This is the peanut puree. Okay, now we are going to make first we'll saute paneer. 2 tablespoon of oil will use, and we'll take some paneer, only little, not too much, because this are already done. Okay, so we'll saute some paneer. Now we have made paneer soft and little saute we made. Now we'll put this little, but as it is butter masala paneer, so we'll put little butter. Okay, now we can put some jeera. We'll put some jeera. Yeah. Okay, after jeera can burn out like this much little, we can put turmeric powder. But can't burn the masala, so do it little fast. Dhania powder. And now we'll put this puree. Okay. So after puree has done, we'll add some salt. Salt will be according to the taste. Then put some kasuri methi. Okay, now let some oil, butter which we have put will come up little, and then only we'll put this peanut puree. Now as you can see, this butter has come up and it is a little bit, it's coming up. Yeah, now we can add, this is totally peanut puree. Okay, nothing peanut puree we have done. Okay, now we can add this saute paneer also. Now let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let the sabzi comes little. And now close the lid. This will cook for 2 to 3 minutes only. Okay. Okay. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, we can see our gravy is being boiled. Gravy has burned little, and it has been so thick gravy. Okay. So ready for serve. Now for little, this for serving, we can put little mashed paneer also for serving, and dhania.